Hello, it's Gary from Remap and Revive here with another DPF clean. It's getting late, it's nearly 6 o'clock and getting pretty dark now, but we're busy so we have to keep working. This Vivaro is a 2015 van. It's had quite a few issues recently that the owners had to work through. The last piece of the jigsaw is to get the DPF cleaned, and then hopefully he's got a reliable van back on the road for work. So we've been called out, we're giving it a two-stage liquid chemical clean at the moment, and once we've finished we'll test to see if it can do a regeneration and then give it back to the customer. Either he'll have a few more things to do if it doesn't regenerate, or if it does regenerate then that's the end of this round of issues for him hopefully, and he can get back to work with the van.